Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing a demo piece we created for an upcoming resin workshop. Before we get into the video, we would like to remind everyone that we will be exhibiting at the Perth Royal Show starting tomorrow, the 27th of September. This runs for 8 days at the Claremont Showgrounds and we will be in the EMPORIUM, which is the shopping and lifestyle pavilion. If you'd like to visit us at the show, then the details are listed down below. This is a great opportunity to visit us during a weekend as we are normally closed. So for today, we used our UResin Ultra Coat resin system, which is our high viscosity art coating resin. This is a great option for cheese boards as it has very minimal movement and less aided with heat. This leads to minimal waste and color placement where you want it. We mixed up a larger batch of resin as we were doing a few projects at the one time. So once the resin was mixed, we separated the resin and let it sit whilst we worked on the other projects first. Once we were ready for the cheese board, we mixed up our chosen colors. We did speed up the board preparation and mixing process as this is something we have shared many times over. If you are new to resin and want to learn how to mix correctly, then we do have a full video process of this. You can find the link in the description box below. This is a Camphor Laurel server board, which is also what we will be using in our workshop. We started off by taping a section of the board where we were going to pour, so we could have a clean line and avoid any leakage. We then started pouring our colours, layering each colour onto the board and using a butane torch to burst bubbles and create movement in the colours. I believe we used 4 different colours, although some of the colours do appear black. These are actually shades of purple, which you'll begin to notice better once we apply heat to the resin. We continue to layer our colours until we have completely covered the board and are happy with the placement. Then go in with a final silver colour for a decorative finish. Once we are happy with the finished piece, we go around with our excess resin and touch up the edges of the board to create a clean, even coverage. If you want to create one of these boards for yourself, then we have a workshop coming up. We will leave the workshop details down below. Bookings are essential and tickets are limited. As always, we will list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.